Hi friends, I'm Mr. Elias. Welcome to music class today. Today we're going to be learning about one of my favorite things in music, the notes. And we're going to focus on only one note today that we call the whole note. And I'm going to teach you all about it. Are you ready? When you make music, there are notes that you play. Today we will learn what they say. Just like you read your ABCs and you count your numbers 1, 2, 3. Do you see this little girl? She's looking for the note and she's looking everywhere. She can't find the whole note. Where is it? Is it in a chair? Is it in the bush? Where is it? It's in the window, of course. She says,
whole note, where are you? Can you tell us what you do?
And then we open the door, go into the house, and we meet the whole note. And he says,
hello there, I'm a whole note. Do you see my empty belly? I wish it was filled with toast and jelly. I'm shaped like a circle, and I don't have a tail. I play 4 long counts that sound slow like a snail.
That's right, the whole note, when we make music with a whole note, plays for 4 counts. We count 1, 2, 3, 4 for a whole note. Let's see what happens next. There's the whole note, and he's with the little girl. She's playing the piano, and she's gonna play a whole note. But the whole note has to tell her how to play it. He says,
you hold me longer than the rest. It's time to count, so try your best. Don't stop until you've reached the number 4. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Way to go! Let's do some more.
So we just met the whole note. We know that he is round. He's got nothing in his belly. He's got an empty belly and there's no tail. And the whole note plays 4 counts. So let's learn a little bit more about the whole note. I'll see you in the next lesson. Hi friends, welcome back. Now we just learned about the whole note. We know what he looks like now. He's got an empty belly and no tail. And we also know that he plays for 4 counts. But now let's learn to read music using our new friend, the whole note. Check this out. Do you see the whole note up there? He's in what we call a measure of music. In between those lines is a measure of music. And there's only one note in that measure. And what is it? It's our friend, the whole note. So here's what happens when we read music. The note tells us how long to play our sound or even how long to sing. And remember, the whole note is 4 counts. So we're going to start learning to read music with the whole note by just counting it. We'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. And whenever I start reading music, I like to say ready, go before we begin. Can you do that with me? All we're going to do is count to 4, okay? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. If you could do that with me, that's an awesome start. The next thing we do is we're going to clap the sound of a whole note, but it goes like this. We're going to clap our hands together, then we stick them together until we finish clapping to 4, and then we unstick them. Can you do that with me? So I'm going to say ready, go. We stick our hands together, count to 4, and then unstick. Okay? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unstick your hands. So all of that time that your hands were stuck together, that was a whole note. It plays all 4 of those counts. So we call a whole note a long note because it plays for a long time. Or if you're playing music while you're reading whole notes, you will play your instrument for 4 counts, which is a pretty long time in music. Let's do it one more time and we can go a little faster this time. So we can count 4 faster when we read a whole note. We can count 4 slower, but as long as we're counting and playing 4 counts, it's a whole note. So we'll do this one a little faster, about like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's go!
You can do it.
Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last one. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you can clap and count those whole notes with me. Remember, it's 4 counts, an empty belly, and no tail is what a whole note looks like. Hi parents, we hope you and your child enjoyed that music lesson. Hey, if you did, please consider giving us a like and a subscribe to this channel. And also, we've got a ton more lessons at mymusicworkshop.com. Hope to see you there.